Okay, guys, it's Wednesday, December 18th. As I navigate through this amazing site that goes through the radiation isotope areas within the United States, it actually does the whole world. I'm narrowing in just to let you see the high numbers, anything over 200 CPM. Look at these numbers. In Arkansas, it's like 2,200 CPM. Now watch, I'm going to drill in using the satellite and all the different radioactive measurement devices that are across the whole world. Let's drill in. Let's see what's going on. And as you see, as I'm drilling in, look at this. As I'm circling in, yep, let's go a little deeper. Yep, keep drilling in. Look at this. You'll see, like, what is this? Like, it's like a rock formation or something. Like, what are we looking at? Why all of a sudden today are we receiving this 2,200 CPM? Normally over maybe 200 to 300 is concerning. 2,200 in Arkansas. Wow. Someone help me understand that it's coming from the rock. Like, so what are we looking at? Atmospheric? You know, look, I don't know. I'm keeping an eye lately on radiation because it seems like that's a real big issue. And it should be. Okay, so here we go. Let's go back in again. If you see, we're going to take a look at different areas. Look at this right here. Yep, another one. Where's this at? What are we looking at here? I think we're going into some parts of Connecticut right now. This is the current radiation levels. And again, these showed up yesterday when I was looking. And it goes right to this house. This is varnish looking structure. And it's just fascinating. This is something you guys can access. This US, actually it's World Geo Radiation. And I'll put the link on this actual, I'll put the link on in this TikTok video. But you see this? Like, this doesn't make sense to me. Like, what is this? What is this building? Why is it producing 300 and some CPM radiation? It doesn't make sense. Everywhere else is 20, 30. This is 300. This building. So I would be concerned. I would be, if I were working for an agency that wanted to track different radiation signatures, I would certainly be interested in wanting to know where we're getting the most radiation. Naturally, you know, your nuclear plants are going to push out radiation, but residentially speaking, you should not look at New York. Yesterday, this wasn't here. Now today, all of a sudden, we go to New York, and we go by the water here, and guys, I don't understand this. Look, so if I am a drone or something looking for radiation signatures or patterns, I would be using this map, and then I would actually use my own, you know, obviously the equipment on the drones would be able to handle this as well. But let's take a look deeper in here, guys. Let's keep going to different various areas. Everyone has access to this radiation map. Literally, you can go Google and just say radiation map real time, and it shows you using all the sensors across the whole world. You know, like I looked around, I saw that Ireland and UK have radiation issues, various, you know, in their various nuclear plant facility locations. Tucson has a power plant, so I understand the 400 CPM rating there, but that 2,200 does not make sense, and it just showed up. And then New York, 385, it showed up, 2 locations in different neighborhoods. This, you know, look, like I said, follow.